My sincerest apologies to our friends who have gathered here today. We've started a little late, just a few technical difficulties. Hello. So we're just going to get the ball rolling. Alright, just to get this thing over and done with. So before we do that, we have to go through just a few house rules for this place here, so that you understand where the certain exits and toilets and things are. So I'm going to hand it. Well, I'll look myself. Toilets. You find the toilets right over there on the exit, that last exit there. You'll find two sets of toilets. They are unisex toilets, so both man and woman, and both can go in there. And fire exits, you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There's a fire, earthquake, or anything that qualifies as an emergency, then use these doors, or immediately these roller doors that are open on the right. And smoking, my sincerest apologies to those who are heavy smokers, because this is a Christian camp. The owners of this place have forbidden smoking. I shouldn't encourage you to smoke, but if you do smoke, don't tell us. Just find yourself a spot and keep it safe. Right? So I'm just going to be. I'm unfortunately your MC for this evening. So I was dressed properly, but as you can see with all the stress going on, I had to kind of loosen up a bit. So I thought, how about we start with the national anthem? That works best. So I'm going to call upon. How about we all stand and I'll say, but you all stand and I'll